In today's video, I'm going to be cooking a tomahawk steak, which I got for my Father's Day. Hopefully my kid has not just done a wee or a poo on my leg. He feels a bit wet. Stay tuned, see how it gets on. Give you a sneaky peek. It goes really well. This is a dry aged 21-day tomahawk steak from Lidl. It's the best part of 20 quid, no, £19, and just giving it a light salting. I'm going to pop it in the fridge, and this will help draw out the moisture from the meat, and it'll start breaking down the proteins, which will help for a much juicier steak a little down the track. So I've wrapped the bone in foil, I've covered the steak with cling film, and I'm leaving it out until I'm ready to put it in the oven, get it up to room temp, because it's been in the fridge all morning. So I've took the steak off the plate. Just fits in the grill there. I'm going to put it on the middle shelf of the oven at about 100 Celsius. I'm going to get the meter probe in. Thickest point is probably about here. Get that set up for medium rare, and then going to get the coals ready for the barbie outside to give it a dirty sear. So this is how she looks. Meter probe in. See how long this takes. So we are 36 minutes into the cook. We're sat at 26 degrees. I reckon it's got about another hour to go. I've got the chimney ready, and I've got an old Barbie I'm going to use as my searing station. Now I've got a lovely backdrop of weeds to accompany me. Beautiful. As you can tell, when you've got a couple of kids, gardening is not on the priority list. So anyway, not quite filled the chimney there. The idea is should be able to fill this and have room for the bone to be sticking out the other end in case it's too long, so I didn't measure it beforehand. There's absolutely zero ventilation here, so the plan is once these are dumped in there, get them white hot, dump them in pretty much straight away, get the steak on, get it seared all sides, and then out to rest. I've got some dolphin wrap potatoes, we're having it with green beans as well, and some cheeky peppercorn sauce from Lidl. It's the fresh stuff. I've never tried it, don't hold my breath too much for it, but we'll give it a go. Not too sure what that is. We'll have to investigate what that blue thing is in the chimney. That's weird. So about 50 minutes in, we're at 36 degrees Celsius. Target is 54 for medium rare. So I've decided to get the chimney starter going to ensure everything is spot on for when it's cook time. I'm going to be doing the potato dolphin wine, the Ninja Foodie. I was going to just ramp up the heat after the steak is done, but probably got a bit too much going on. I should imagine it's quite a quick and easy cook once these coals are in there, probably a couple of minutes either side, something like that, until it's ready. So no more than, I don't know, maximum 10 minutes, absolutely tops, if that. So yeah, I'm going to use a Ninja Foodie for the rest of it. Get Vic, the wife, to do the veggies, the green beans and the pepper sauce. It's about an hour and 20 minutes in. We're at 50 degrees Celsius on the Tomahawk. The coals are looking good, and it estimates about 9 minutes left to go. So the dolphin wrap potatoes are in. They take 35 minutes. Normally stuff cooks a lot quicker on the Ninja, so I'm hoping that's the case, because I may have put them in a little late, but we'll see. So I'm going to get myself prepped, get the MIG welding gloves out so I don't burn myself, and we prepare for the burning of the steak, which I've never done before, so it's going to be interesting. So with a couple of minutes to go before I put the steak on the rest, I've tipped out the chimney starter. Now, because of the time elapsed, I've got a lot less fuel than I was hoping for, so I'm just going to have to see how we get on. It's all a learning curve, but the heat from that, even this far away, is fucking immense, hence why I've got the MIG glove. So yeah, and there we go. After about an hour and a half, it's out at about 53 degrees whilst it rests. And here she is. I've got the coals ready, as you saw before. I think it's time, you know, to get a sear on. Should we do it? I think we should. So speaking to my mate who does barbecue for a living, just going to paint on a thin layer of oil. I'm using olive oil extra virgin. Not putting it on the fat itself, as I should imagine that'll have enough fat as it is. I'm going to do that side and flipped it over to do the other side, like so. Pause it. Sorry about that. There we go. What a nice thin coat of olive oil. It's business time, guys. In fact, I need to take out the meter. 1 second. She's on. I don't think the last video captured because it overheated again, the phone. Here we are. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. Oof. That fat in there, I don't think it's going to render down, but you know what? It is what it is. It's looking good, guys. Just going to bank some coals at one end. Whoa. Let's see if we can get that in there. Sizzle, sizzle. Whoa. Wowza. This is certainly a cooking experience. Let's have a look. I think we're happy with that, guys. Here we are as the smoke clears. Caveman style tomahawk steak. Get in. Let's get it rested and chopped up. Here she is, out and rested. Finished at 57 degrees Celsius internal. Dauphinoise potatoes. Done. Green beans in the microwave. Happy days. Let's get this board put on the board and chopped. Just sliced on the bone. So here we go, guys. Look at That. Finished on the coals. Yeah, I could have left it on the coals a little longer. Will I do next time? Absolutely. As we get closer to the centre, you can see the finish is more medium rare. But just have a look at that, guys. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Definitely will be using the coals again. I will be adding more fuel. I'll probably fill it to the top, and I'll start the coals a little later. Just so I've got, I don't know, feels like I needed a little bit more heat and I need it to be left on there. I'm gonna look at that, guys. Yeah, that's more on the rarer side there. But yeah, happy days. See you in the next video. Ciao.
Where the bloody hell have you been? Just been wandering the corridors.
Has he?
Look at him walking home. Look at. Well, there's plenty of fucking sauce there. Not bad at all.
What are you saying? Happy with that. Yeah, next time, hot coals, more of them. Leave it on for longer. More char. Felt like I got them off maybe 30 seconds too early on each side. I really need to just be confident and leave them on. It's when you first do something, it's always a bit of a scary one. But yeah, really tasty. I'm going to finish this off. Everything today is from Lidl. The beans, the steak, and the dauphinoise potatoes, and magic. Probably one of the best steaks I've ever done. 100% will be doing it again. I think cooking in the oven was the real plus. You know, you're getting the cook without all the smoke. She's just getting pure beef, pure steak. You know what? I only used a bit of salt. You know, round either side of it. Nothing else. No pepper, no nothing. So really wanted just to get the taste of the steak rather than it being clouded by other flavours. And I think that's the way. And I'll be doing it again next time. See you in the next video. Ciao.